Let's see this question based on coplanarity. It says show the first point, second point, third point and the fourth point are coplanar. The algorithm I've already taught you in the previous video. It says that first we have to form the equation with the help of 3 points. Then we have to check whether the fourth point satisfies the equation. If it, definitely the points are coplanar, else they are not. And since this question already says show that, that means it is a proof question. It knows that the points are coplanar. So you have to just prove that. Let's start with the question. So these are the 3 points. I can name this as A, B, C and the fourth one as D for my convenience. Now what is the equation formed by these? X minus x1, x2 minus x1, which means minus 1 minus 0 is minus 1. x3 minus x1 is minus 2. Y minus y1, y2 minus y1, y3 minus y1, z minus z1, z2 minus z1, z3 minus z1 is equal to 0. Now just solve this. So this is x. Remove the first row and the first column, you get 18 minus 36 plus y minus 4, and this should not be plus, this should rather be minus because this is according to the cofactor convention. Remove the second column and the first row, it becomes 2 minus 12 plus z minus 3. Remove the third column and the first row, it is 6 minus 18 is equal to 0, right? So this is minus 18 multiplied by x, then this is minus 10 into minus y, which is plus 10y, minus 10 into plus 4 is minus 40 plus 6z, right, minus 18z. So 6 minus 18 is minus 12, directly you can do minus 18z, which is minus 12z. Then this is minus 12 into minus 3 is plus 36 is equal to 0. Now wherever you have the constants, just make them one side and the other things to the other side. So it is minus 18x plus 10y minus 12z minus 4 is equal to 0. This is the obtained equation of a plane. Now in order to check for coplanarity, just try putting the fourth point in this equation of a plane. So I write this as equation number 1. So you write put D in equation number 1. So 1, 1, minus 1. Putting 1, it is minus 18. Putting 1, it is plus 10. Putting minus 1, it is plus 12. Having minus 4, it is minus 4. This is the LHS of the equation number 1. Let's see whether it is equal to the RHS, which is 0. Minus 18 plus 10 is minus 8. Minus 8 minus 4 is minus 12. Minus 12 plus 12 is 0, which is equal to RHS of equation number 1. So that means the points are coplanar, because for coplanarity only we are going to see that 3 points have to be giving me an equation and then the fourth has to be satisfied. So this is how we have to do it. So first we are going to solve this, find an equation and then put the last remaining point in that equation. If it satisfies, it is coplanar, else it is not.